Hey there, I'm Nat.
And I'm Jodie, and it's so good to be able to virtually meet you, and especially if you're considering us to be your house and pet sitters.
Yes, so a little bit about us. We're actually on a house sit at the moment.
That was Fiesta.
That was Fiesta eating my head. So we're originally from Australia. Hopefully we've lost our accent by now.
We haven't.
We haven't. I don't think we have. But we've left Australia in 2011 and we moved to Dubai for 11 months. And then we got on the road and we started house sitting. We just originally started house sitting just to give it a try and see if we liked it. And we absolutely loved it. So we kept going for 10 years.
That's it. And a testament to sort of how much we were a right fit for being a house and pet sitter is the fact that for pretty much almost 10 years, right up until even just after the world lockdown, we were just doing back-to-back house sits. We just kept lining them all up. So we knew it was exactly what we were meant to do. So unfortunately, with the world locking down, there was a few changes. We got stuck here in Mexico, and it's not a bad thing, but we have ended up with a home base. So now what we do is just house sit for, locally for friends and family, but we do go abroad as well. And if we can help out in any way and it fits sort of our travel plans, then, we're here for you. We absolutely love house pet sitting.
Yes, well, we haven't got our own pets anymore, so it's really nice to have a little break at times and go and have some pet love. Some fur baby love. We love it.
Exactly. So one of the mottos that we live by this whole entire time, I mean, we've got oodles of references to be able to give you as well, but basically the way we approach house and pet sitting is kind of based off our previous careers. Nat was in the Australian Federal Police and I had come out of accommodation management and tourism management, and we always just knew straight away that it was about leaving no footprint, so that you could walk away from your home, leaving your pets and your home in the care of us, and be able to come back in and feel as if we were never there. That's sort of something that we live by.
So one thing that we do need is some good Wi-Fi, if that's possible, because we do work online. I'm a fasting coach and Jodie is into crypto. So that does mean also that we'll be at home with your pets most of the time. We're not really into the big touristy things, I think, because we've traveled for so long now. We've done all the touristy things and we're quite happy just being little homebodies and just having a different routine, your routine, I guess, and the pet routine. So we sort of enjoy that aspect of house sitting.
That's what gives us our variety as well.
Yeah, definitely.
We've looked after all kinds of different pets, and we have actually looked after homes without pets, but not very often. It's probably only been like 1 or 2 times out of an entire 10 years in our career of house and pet sitting. We just love animals. So whatever it is that you have, we will love taking care of, for sure.
So if you think we'll be a good fit, then please get in touch with us. We would love to have a Zoom call with you and catch up and have a chat. I guess that's that rapport building thing, and that's what we really find on those chats, is that we've either got a good rapport or we don't. And if we're not a good fit, we'll all feel it. We work very much on intuition, and that's really done us quite well over the years. So we've had some great house sets because we have followed our intuition.
And met some amazing people all around the world.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. We look forward to catching up with you soon.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.